Hey, it's Coach D coming at you with this week's quick tip. This week, I want you to focus on what is your limiting factor. What is the one thing that if you change that, it's going to make the biggest difference in your program? First off, we want to focus on what we generally around here call the big rocks. The big rocks are the four major categories that you should probably look at first. Those being nutrition, exercise, sleep, and water. As far as your nutrition is concerned, be honest with yourself. Are you predominantly eating real food? Remember, food has parents, grows from the ground, or grows from a tree. As far as exercise, we're looking at not only doing focused, consistent exercise on a consistent basis, but we're also looking at an active overall lifestyle. Standing as much as possible, walking as much as possible, not being in a seated position as much as possible. Sleep. Are you sleeping ideally anywhere between 7, 8, possibly 9 hours per night in a completely dark or blacked out room? Water. Is the predominant thing that you are consuming water? You don't want to be drinking your calories, for example. Pure, unadulterated water is what you ultimately want to be focusing on. So when it comes to the concept that I want you to be thinking about this week, really evaluate those four areas, be honest with yourself, and ask yourself, what is it, or which of these four areas do I need to most focus on? It doesn't mean that you just throw the other ones to the curb, but what is it that you're really going to spend time on trying to establish what is your next step that's going to move you in the positive direction of your goals? This is Coach D coming at you with this week's quick tip.